We have indeed.
We have acquired a pizza machine.
We do. Outside the hub, we have our own Pizza Rebellion vending machine.
This is the first one they ever done.
Was it? The thing is, right, we ain't got plugged in at the moment because of the cost of the electricity and whatever else. I've decided not to. So we're going to try and see if we... Oh, look at that. Definitely.
100% going to power.
100%. So later on, we're going to see if we can power the pizza vending machine. So you need to watch to the end of the video, actually, with that to see if it actually works. Yeah. But we're going to give you a tour inside.
Yeah. People will always wonder what's inside this pizza.
Touch me and I'll feed you 24/7. That's what the wife says to me.
So that's your order screen.
Yeah.
And then the pizza comes out of there.
She must have took the slogan from there, you know. Touch me and I'll feed you 24/7. There you go. Right.
This is mad.
Gotcha. Okay, because I've never been inside there.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Do you know what? I'm not going to lie. My Sage is going to have the knock. Because she wants to see the real robots that are inside making the machine. She feels like there's AI robots in there
doing
actually making pizzas.
It's simple.
We're going to have to do another video with Sage.
We'll have to bring her in.
And let me tell you what you do. I'll open the door, you stand there, get her reaction as she looks in, because it'll be underwhelmed.
Yeah.
She will be like, really?
Yeah, she's going to look.
There's no robots in there?
No.
Okay.
But what there is.
What there is.
Don't ignore the ceiling because this one was the first one they done.
What are we doing? Are we gonna be doing a bit of project with this then?
Yeah, so all of this is the vending machine.
That is the vending machine there, yeah?
So they're gonna take this out of the container.
Yeah.
And we're basically gonna build a mini container but out of timber, stud wall,
yeah,
in a nightclub. So he's going to have this section in a nightclub and get rid of the container box.
So we are basically going to be helping to locate the first ever nightclub pizza vending machine.
Yes.
I like it.
And
I like it.
It's so cool, man. It's basically, they load the pizzas into all of these, right?
Right.
And then this tray...
It collects it once you tell the machine what you want it to do.
Yeah, because you like margarita.
Yeah.
And then pepperoni's there, and then it will, once they order, it zooms up, picks it up in the box.
Yeah.
Pushes it on there, pushes it through that conveyor belt.
Yeah.
And then in here.
So there's your oven. So these are freshly made pizzas.
Freshly made pizzas over there.
Over there in
by hand.
By hand. They're made by hand, and they're stuck into that, which is a freezer.
Yeah.
Is that freezer?
It's a fridge.
Just a fridge. Stuck in there. So, okay, so they're updated daily then.
Yeah.
They go every day. They feed the machine.
And then they know by their computer system what they're running out of.
Gotcha. So they come in and top it up.
Make it up, load them up, boom, boom, boom.
And that comes through there.
Goes into the oven.
Right.
Gets hot. Obviously, this thing
that's
drops
what ovens
down.
do. Yeah.
Lifts the lid of the box.
Yeah.
And then as it comes back out the oven, that closes the lid and pushes it through the hole.
Because them boxes are special boxes actually to allow the heat to go right through and circulate all the way around, didn't they? And then that's when it comes out here. And when you're out this side, it tells you, because it does this in 4 minutes.
Yeah, I can't remember.
Cooks pizzas in 4 minutes, I believe. Might be 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. But their unit is literally over there. Look, they make the pizzas. Everything's done proper.
Yeah, they make them all in there and then they go around and
they deliver. This is good, and this is their first ever machine.
I reckon we should plug it in.
You know we have got a black card for pizzas.
Yeah.
So do you know what I'm going to get now?
Pizza.
I'm going to the one in Bognor.
Yeah. I might do the same. I might go to the one in Chai.
They got one by Chichester train station. They got one in Bognor as well.
We've got two in Bognor.
Two in Bognor. One by the train station.
And one by the car wash.
One by the car wash.
One in Brighton. And there's one in Worthing.
Oi, do you know what? I owe a trip here for Sage.
Yeah.
For this.
So you can show her.
But I've been telling her because I did a video with Sage getting a pizza out of one of these machines in Bognor about a year ago, and it went and got 20 million views.
Yeah.
It was crazy, right? And ever since then, she said to me, Dad, I said, they're real robots, babe. She said, no, they're not. I said, they're real robots. I'll show you one day. So now I can show her, but the problem is I'm sort of going to break her heart a little bit.
Yeah, maybe best not show her.
So maybe best not show her. Yeah. And then I also owe a pizza to my Frank and his young mate at football called Teddy.
Yeah.
He's always wanted a pizza out of one of these machines. And being that I'm a new football dad and I've got a black card,
you got later.
I'm gonna use what I've got in life.
I might go there in a minute.
I'm gonna go and get one. And I'm gonna send my wife that. Touch me and I'll feed you 24/7. I wonder if that works at the weekend.